Voices carry journeys from quiet homes to crowded streets. Worlds unfolding in a conversation, an educational podcast, a circle of minds learning from each other. Aphamazwi ethathibana khona aphivelaphi zethu zibalisa amabali indawo yokwabelana ngezimvo ngehlabathi. Asifaya podcast imikhali ikhuzulwa ngumahle sive ngicela umfo wasemamfeleni olisa ohlathi ojambase imfene zimabutho ahlutana ukuthola kwelanga. Asifaya podcast.
I-advance
what you
exactly
are
vele
doing. Yeah.
ngithena sengibuyela e-ofisini ngangasahambisa ama-assignment that's kwafika la ngidropha khona-ke kule but I'm having a lot of certificate ama-short courses certificate I hope so and yeah ngi-proud ngawo yeah ngisebenze ezethela before ngiza la e-office mhlawumbe omunye uzobuza ukuthi hey ufike njani ePaul ne
Yeah.
ngilethiwe remember i-apartheid by then beyingakaphumi kibo laba
Yeah,
abamhlophe.
89, 88.
ba 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 baneleli valo leli lokuthi nawo fanele ukuthi benzele mina itila abafazi babelungu.
Oh, now they had to shift you from lapha
Yeah.
bakuse kwi-center
So,
enabantu abamnyama.
yeah ngithi nakuvuleka ipost yethela angithi bengiyithela vele
Yes.
nakuvuleka ipost yethela e-office
Transfer.
nga-apply
Okay.
I went for interview
Okay.
and in a month's time ngithola ama-results ukuthi you are successful, you've been
Appointed.
appointed e-office. Guys bangenzela kahle iphathi
Yeah.
baba
Farewell.
nge-office ngifike e-office ngiyithela lento le enyenza ngifike
Same
e-countering
position.
yeah ngifike e-countering ngisebenza e-countering e-office ngazane nabantu ngiseve yazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kuvela ipost ye-shifteller
Sure.
eSekunda fake application.
Now you've got the experience, you've got the qualifications, zalama short course. You meet all the requirements.
Remember, I'm a manager. It goes back le lekhathi uJudy aselifini.
Uke wa-acta la.
Ngiactela ngigibela ibhayisikili ngideliver izincwadi emzini
Door to door.
door to door. Yila kuvela khona I'm a manager. I'm not a postman. I was building my brain.
Mindset.
Ukuthi my mindset ukuthi
Yeah.
this guy ogibele phezulu lebhayisikili he's not a postman
Yeah.
but he's a manager. When you want something in life call it by name. Ngiyak-advise la. Mawufuna into if you want teaching wenza i-matric manje ne say I'm a teacher.
Kwenzekani mayikhuluma? What
See,
happens?
it builds right into your brain and le career izokulandela angeke izikubalekele leyo career leyo because we reporte kuNkulunkulu ukuthi ngiyi and God ungenelela phakathi kwakho manje ukuthi lento oyishoyo ugcine wenzeni ugcine uyitholile. So this how I became a manager. Now ube manager njani babushabangu ngoba sikubona uyithela uthengisela abantu stamp ubhalela abantu ama-telegram bathumela imali emakhaya uku-post bank le bhadala manje isasa
Yeah.
uku-post bank wenza lama-transaction and then uthola i-post eSekunda as a chief teller for the first time ngiyosebenza ne-group eningi yabantu. That's where my management style began.
Okay.
Chief teller.
Okay.
Remember lapha nginamathela ayi-9.
Bonke barepota kuwe.
I'm a chief.
Mm.
Yeah, I'm chief ku-counter finance, I'm chief ku-back office. La kungena khona i-mail,
I-receiving and
i-receiving
yeah,
ye-mail,
distribution.
ne-distribution ye-mail,
Yeah.
yes.
Sure.
And ngihleli Secunda kuvuleka i-post office ye-branch manager.
What are you doing? Because it seems like the doors keep opening. What are you doing in between these processes? Because ngathi iminyango iyavuleka, like the doors are opening. You're a chief teller.
Now I'm
now
supposed to come back.
there's a post.
There's a postman,
Yeah.
and I supposed to apply ngifake post.
Are you praying? Are you what's
Are
going
you
on?
furthering your studies ngala short course?
Mina
Yeah.
ngaleso sikhathi
Yeah.
ngi-attenda ama-courses. That's why ama-certificates lawa engikhuluma ngawo.
Came into your advantage.
Yeah, and
Mm.
mangibona i-post yase post yase office ne ukuthi ifuna i-branch manager, kuhamba i-branch manager yami, angithi bengiyithela yena i-branch manager.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're senior now.
Now uyabuya lo beka akasabuyeli mara countering. Remember uyakulela
Lo
office lela
beke-junior
manje
la.
ngibuya e-office as a branch manager.
Sure.
Mangifike e-office as a branch manager ngiyasebenza as a branch manager. Ngisebenzile abile khona ama-challenges when I still remember when 2 young men basibamba ngesibhamu. It was on a Saturday morning. Basiphushela
We see.
emasefeni. Yeah, I still remember I survived because abazange badubule. The only thing what I did was just to hand over the keys, and then I was safe.
You cooperated with them, of
Yes.
course, under in the
Yeah.
condition.
I'm in D. Ama office ethu A, B, C, D. And now I'm in D level management. There's this post coming out which is a C. Laratsfontein in Witbank. I don't have a car. Now I'm moving from office. Fake application. I went for interview. In 2 months' time, the letter arrives.
The application was successful.
I was successful.
Hmm.
I'm going for D. Ne?
From D to C.
No. I'm going.
Yeah.
From D, I'm going to
To C.
to C.
Yeah.
Yes. Ngishota ngo B no
No,
A.
The promotion.
You're moving the ranks.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I'm moving. Ngifike eKleffontein as a branch manager level C, then ngibe nama-tellers, and then ne-back office yami, and then in 2008 God says this is enough now.
Public service.
Public service. Now you've got experience. Go out and open your own businesses.
Businesses.
Not business.
I like that.
You go out now. The last one which that we register last week. Ngizokutshela ukuthi why ngirejistile. Le engiregister the last one. Ne eNqabeni.
Which I said we will talk about it, Uncle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll talk about Ngabeni Drive Center.
Yeah. What time are we on? 1:08.
Come on,
let's
guys.
let's go. Let's go. Let's
Guys,
roll.
why is Kat stitching my song?
Let's roll. Producer.
Yes, Ngabeni is born. It's a Ngabeni Drive Center. The company, in a real sense, was formed in 2016 as Ngabeni Driving School. Now, because of
Babusha wami,
yes,
ngicela ukudisturba nje kancane.
Yeah,
Ngifuna sivale le ka manager ne.
yeah.
And then masingena kuma business sazi ukuthi siyangena siyahlala ne.
Oh, yeah.
Kunembuzo onayo lapho
Management.
speech because I have this question ne,
Yeah.
on your story because I've heard this story numerous times. It's one of the stories that actually kept me going. For someone who's going through the same situation where they start at the junior level at the workplace, maybe they don't see themselves up there, maybe there's something holding them back, maybe they just see themselves as a cleaner or as a bicycle person. What is it that kept you going that moment?
Patient. Yonke into engiyenzayo ngiyenza patient and ngiyazinikela ne. Angithi remember nawuya kuma qualifications I might ngesikhathi se-apartheid kunentombazana yomlungu engaphambili.
Yeah, I overqualified than you.
No, ayikho overqualified. Ayinayo i-matric but because of ikhala skin uyithela ngaphambili.
Sure.
Which is still the case even today.
Yes.
In some cases.
Yeah. So you what I'm trying to say, kule situation if uzithola ukiyo, ngicela ukuthi ube nokubekezela, be patient until the last. Be patient until the last. Abanye bazowakhumbula lamazwi ashiwo Mark Antony. Friends, Romans, learn near ears. Be patient until the last. You're supposed to be patient until the last. Because God knows ukuthi wena in a real sense kule situation ubani. And what was the purpose? Remember ukuthi ngihliswa ekhumbini conferencing and you ask yourself ukuthi this guy akayoyibona i-conference ngenxa yokuthi uNkulunkulu umbekele ukuthi one day he'll be the manager in a very high post ku-South African Post Office. He will be somehow a decision maker ku-management ukuthi nasingenza so masingenza so.
Did any black people come to that position before you around here?
No.
So-
Remember la bantu engikhuluma ngabo nami sibuya ku system ya apartheid.
Oppressed system.
Sibuya ku remember count 1994, 96, 94, 95, 96, 97, 90, 98, 99. So close again. So bekusisekhona lento le kuba beyilungu abaningi ukuthi umuntu omnyama sise umuntu omnyama.
Not trusted for high positions.
No.
So you're the first black.
I'm very I said it very proud. First black teller at Elmas. First black teller yomuntu omnyama at Elmas. That's history, bab.
White people bringing you tea.
Yes. Wearing a tie.
Started from cleaning.
Starting from cleaning.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. What's your question? What's your question, Speecher?
Yeah. You know the question per se, just the comment nje by perseverance then nekuba grateful ku stories ka baba Mashango so far yabona gratitude, you grateful yabona lokho kuncane beke kufumana beke ku appreciate then waphindwa isama up kwakhona wakhuluma nge-dedication ukuthi whatever you are doing put that effort, put that dedication. Uzinikele and then
you know why si fail ne ngithanda lento isho. Yes, thina abantu abamnyama why is fail.
Why?
Siya give up.
Easy.
Siyakwata. Siyanyanya. Ukuthi lento le msebenzi lo yanginyanyisa. But ukhohlwa into eyi-one ukuthi lento le iyindlela kuwe izokusa somewhere one day. I've seen it from from the start ku-company, azange ngi-give up namhla ngilunywa yinja ngithi ngifake incwadi ngibambe isandla ngiqhawule.
Sure.
Yeah, the
We
yeah,
we have similarities now.
nawe
Uyabona
kubambile ne
nami iyangibamba. Ngifihle yona
mina
isika senja.
Hey,
sine-scar and
We have scars to show.
kufanele ukuthi kuphume igazi ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uyofika la wena ufuna ukufika khona.
Thank you.
And
as young people should learn
You
from you. Yeah.
you know you supposed to ukudlula kulezi zinto lezi. Bhuti, yey, le ncwadi wrong. Fanele kudlule iy'meni ezifana nalezo.
Of course izoba wrong. Umntu okulunywa yinja manje awusaboni
I mean, so udlula izinto ezingaki eziyi-5. That lady is calling you to drive back ngebhayisikili ishisa.
Ubuyele njeni? Hayi, hayi. Awubanga nenja, umanager.
Thank you. Now you see me. Don't see me as manager. Manager.
Oh my God, I love this guy.
Don't.
And it's always fun when you narrate these stories now, but when the incident happened,
It was tough. And kumele ukuthi ngidlule. But one thing I appreciate with a South African Post Office in which I work for 18 years.
Sure.
18 years.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
a long time.
Yeah.
Almost 2 decades.
Kibo bonke ama-manager. Uyi-one manager engeke ngimkhohle uDJ Kher. You know why ngamkhohlwa uDJ Kher? Mangishayisa, he'll call me, David, komfati ubreak. Akayenzi i-mistake yokuthi isinkwa sakhe ezinasendlini asidle sonke. Ngathi ubengibona ukuthi this guy really ubuya kuphi. Ngiyabona wayenga-appreciate ukuthi i-office lakhe ngangilikhipha clean. Itiye lakhe ngangalikhohlwa ngo-2, and then that's why enze i-decision ukuthi unkosikazi wakhe nakanza isikhaftini afake lesinkwa esi-extra
Wow.
engizosithola ma.
So you experiencing this while you were still a cleaner,
Yes.
and
Yes.
this is a white person calling
So
you.
what calling me?
I think that's good because we always
Yeah.
question these people,
Yeah.
right?
Sometimes ngiyathanda ukuthi ngimbonge until aze athole i-post somewhere. Kanti uNkulunkulu ubeka uMarti, the new postmaster wesifazane. Nanya uyamkhumbula lo yangibalisa amasenti. Uyeke umuntu owenze ukuthi ikusasa lami libe la ngikhona manje. Uthe ngithule ngingayijahi letho. Ukuthi ngifike njani emkhakheni wokuvula amabhizinisi. Ngifike njani. So yeah, ungincede kakhulu loya mlungu loya. Kakhulu ngothando lwakhe nangenhliziyo le bekanayo kimi. Yeah, ukuthi angangikhohlwa nakashayisa.
Usibhek kwakhona gratitude.
Yeah.
But those small things, and even back then apartheid, listening to his stories like this,
Shabang.
Oshabang, ukuthi not all white people were all bad and what.
No.
There are some
Yes.
nobuntu.
Yeah,
And
it's that's why I put it in this form kule team yethu ukuthi ezinye izinto ezenzeka during the apartheid kimi it was a lesson.
Blessing in disguise.
Facing disguise and a wake up call ukuthi indoda uzomela ukuthi uvuke. And bangisize kakhulu because ngivukile ibhono ngiqala ngibaleka isikole. sirobhana noThemba siye Sandra, you know Sandra when ngiceda udlula eDelmas. Silapha eRed Goal kwakhiwa indlu. uThemba une-bad influence kimi. And finally ngibaleka it was a primary level la eDelmas. Kwakhiwa indlu double storage. Then Shovik River until phezulu bezokudabida. Ngishova iphunyuka izoshayisa iwindow le. Angithi kusakhiwa akabomu.
Yes.
Iwindow lase liyatsheka. Ngiyamthanda uMlungu. Okungithuka kwakhe engibiza ngalela gama licala ngo-K. Angibiza ngenja. Kwangisiza kakhulu ukuthi ngisuke kuThemba. And go back eklasini.
Eklasini.
Because wayesengithethe vele ukuthi ngibona impilo yami ngokuthi manje isema-contractini manje. Bhicidaka, Shovik River isele lapha phezulu.
Hard labor.
Hard labor, yes. Ngabona into eyi-one ukuthi but kuyoba kanjani ukuthi for the rest of my life ngiyosebenzana neStina ne. Kanti ubabami ungibusisile ukuthi lo mntwana lo oyimi akayi ukusebenza ngeHarav nepiki nefosholo kodwa uyofaka ama-ball pen la including emhlophe. Remember a white pen? You know what was a white pen?
What
My
was the
father
white pen?
prophesied. It was a chalk.
I missed that one. Eh?
Yeah, it was a chalk. The very
So-
same chalk, the white one.
He-
That's the only pen I'm using. Nawuthi into ngibhala kakhulu mina. Ngibhala nganayo into le
So
ngisemva
you were given that by your father.
he blesses me. Utshela umalume ukuthi lo yabona Sibari lo mntwana lo ne. Akayi ukusebenza ngeHarav. Now, hey parents, ngicela nibusise abantwana benu tu.
Yeah.
Parents, ngicela nibusise abantwana benu, ngicela abantwana benu banikeze inyawo. Banikeze inyawo bazali, especially the father. Bobaba ngicela amagama enetha ngawo abantwana abuye kini hayi bogogo nabomamncane. Ngiyakhuza ngithi abantwana bathi umntwana kethiwe ubaba. Even nje ubayekile bathumela incwadi batshele ukuthi umntwana loyo
Igama lakhe.
usamlelisiwe, igama libuye kubaba hayi kuye kugogo. Abogogo bethe abantwana wrong and abantwana bagcine bayilezi zinto lezi abogogo ababethe ngazo. Ngicishe ngasho.
Umlomo
amazing.
uyadala.
Yeah,
Umlomo
that's amazing.
uyadala.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yeah.
Because
So
bahleli abanye ekhaya, we hear this all the time. Ungudoti womntana.
yeah.
Awulaleli.
No.
Uyophelela estradini.
Yophela istrategy. Remember amazwi omlomo wakho ngalento osuke uyisho emntwaneni. Sometimes sishiso ukukwata ne. But ngicela ukuthi ukukwata kwethu kubuyile phansi guys. Kubuyile phansi. Kulula angithi ngitshelile ngalela igama leli laka lenja leli besikhuluma ngalo. Sometimes liyaphuma emlonyeni wakho.
Yeah.
Ukholwa ungakholwa liyaphuma but eqineni ne remember lo mntwana kabani umntwana
Gazi
wami
lakho le.
and uzomele ukuthi udlule kuleya nkonzo leya. I'm blessing this child today.
Ubaba ukuphi choko wena?
Ubaba ungipha ama ball pen
Even
wagcina
the white.
nge-white. Umalume uma ubuza ukuthi Sibari nawuthi umntwana lo uzobhala ngeball pen emhlophe. Ayikho iball pen emhlophe. And my uncle didn't understand ukuthi the white pen is a chalk. Engisebenza ngayo tot namhlanje. Angina 2 days mina ngazange ngime ebhotini. Anginayo 2 days. Ngingazange ngime ebhotini. Ngibuye ebhotini ngelesithathu. Ngibuye ebhotini. Ibhodi zange ngiyibone ngelesine na Friday phela. Ngibuye ebhotini this week. Mawungangithatha ngikusendlini uzabona kunama notes ebhotini elapha endlini. So Ile white pen my father blessed me about. He didn't say, I'm blessing you to be rich. I'm blessing you to have imoto is it 29 billion. No, he didn't say that. He says, angiyosebenza njani nzima.
Nzima.
No, angisebenzi nzima bhuti omkhulu. MkaNkulunkulu. Angisebenzi nzima.
Usebenza
Eh,
smart.
Ngisebenza smart. If ngifuna ukugqoka ithayi ngizogqoka ithayi. If ngifuna ukugqoka isuti ngizogqoka isuti uma ngiya emsebenzini.
Ngifuna uku-offer before singena kuma-business speech ne.
Yeah.
Because when we get into business, it's another powerhouse right there. The importance of names. Kuti abantu. What are the importance of names, and which role does the name play over maybe a surname?
Yes.
Which one is more important than the other?
It's a name and the surname. The name. Remember, if we go back to Africa, there's no surname. It's a name. That's why it's a say.
Injalo, surname is a foreign thing. Actually, history of surnames is just to I classify us and group us. Kahle kahle izibongo.
Yeah.
Igama lakho nesibongo sakho.
Sakho.
And then igama lakho back to what ubaba akashoyo.
Yes.
Umlomo uyadala. If uthi Siphiwo, ngisisiphiwo. So if always ngizobizwa ngelo gama Siphiwo, there's this Siphiwo
And igama lakho
engisiphethe.
kumele ukuthi likulandele.
Likulandele. Igama
Likulandele.
lakho. We had this conversation, you and I. Maybe we khohlwe, but
Yeah.
yeah, but from ubaba, you said surname into entsha yami.
Yeah, it's a surname. It's a name. Why is a name important than a surname? Because it's a name that the father give to a child. Remember, let's talk. Let's give an example. Elizabeth bears a child. Cousin Maria. Cousin Maria in the Bible. And when aqeda ukuthola umntwana, ne, aqeda ukuthola umntwana, and then bafuna the father to name the child. And when the father was supposed to say the name, the voice didn't come out. And bamnikeza a scribe with a pen to write a name of that child. Johann. Lo esithi usehlane laseJudea, the one who baptized the Messiah, his name was given by. Bebanayo i-authority laba bebakwazi ukukhuluma ukuthi bemathe umntwana. Bebakhona bo-auntie, bebakhona bomalume. But because umntwana fanele ethiwe ubaba wakhe, ne, kwamkosa ukuthi ubaba wakhe abhale phansi ukuthi lo mntwana lo ubani igama lakhe. So we encourage parents, especially abobaba, ukuthi amagama akangaveli kubogogo nabo auntie nabo malume kodwa akaveli. As long ubaba walo mntwana asaphila, irregardless ukuthi uzosupporta noma ngeke support. But let the blessing comes from the father with a name. If abathathani, but still duty yaka baba uthi umntwana ayokhonjisa ubaba so that ubaba akwazi ukubusisa umntwana. Simple.
Yeah. Ngiqedile baba.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
history,
can go-
yeah,
you can
history surname, yeah, nami ngokolwazi lwami ke kanjalo uba kuthiwa nguSiphiwo kabani, uSiphiwo kaSipho, uSipho kabani, njalo izithakazelo nazo zisuka lapho.
Yeah,
Yeah.
zisuka lapho vele.
Yeah.
That's why I say bengikusholo zona ngathi kuwe sizozisho till 4
4
o'clock.
o'clock,
Exactly.
yeah.
NginguDavid kaMnasi.
Yes,
UMnasi
umnasi
kaMkalabheni. Exactly. It goes and goes and goes and goes. The name, not the surname Shaba. Angingushabangu kaShabangu kaShabangu. No, it doesn't go like that.
Yeah.
It's a name. That's why even in the Bible, you won't find a name of a person, Isaiah Mahlam,
Yeah.
ne?
Mhm.
Jeremiah, incwadi
Yeah.
kaJeremiah,
Ma-
Amos. No,
Matthew bani bani.
Matthew bani. No, it doesn't go like that.
Mm.
Yes. So it tells you that the issue of the name is very much important
Hmm.
in a life history.
Thank you so much. I guess that's wisdom. Take us back where we started. Can you get into businesses now?
Yeah,
Or did you still have a
5
question?
minutes.
Yeah, isikhathi sikhona sona baba. Isikhathi sikhona. Yeah, but yeah, let's go to business. Let's go to business.
Or before we get into business, let me ask this question. To your story about being a manager and a manager and all that, and you end up becoming a manager. When you hear the stats talking about an alarming percentage of unemployment, ucabangani, what comes to your mind? What do you think about us? Because many people say
It's a very simple thing. Abantu bakholelwa ukuthi umuntu uthola umsebenzi ekhuthala. Abantu bakholelwa ukuthi umsebenzi uku-CV. No. You must create a job. You must create a job. Look at China. Bonke abantwana bakhona bakhuliswa under i-training yokuthi lo mntwana lo mase lakhulile uzoba yini. Okuyisystem ebekufanele ukuthi sifake nathi la eSouth Africa ukuthi bonke abaye emkhakheni wokudoda nayi indlela yabo. Bonke abaye emkhakheni wobunesi nayi indlela yabo. Bonke abaye emkhakheni wobuthishela nayi indlela yabo. It's bonke abaya emkhakheni we-bricklayer. That's why ngizokwenzela la izinto eziningi zala Paul. Sakhiwe ema-Mozambique. And you ask yourself a question, apha ama-South African. Now, iskill sokwakha izindlu basithethe kuphi? La basifundela e-South Africa? No, basifunde kuphi? Ekhaya. So if i-government yethu inga-introduce i-system yokuthi wonke umuntu la awela khona, umuntu okwazi intambo ngefoni what, ahlale kuloyo mkhakha, and from grade R now until azayo-complete i-matric adlulele e-university. Izinto bezizolekelela kakhulu uku-create-a amathuba womsebenzi lawa esithi thina ascarce, esitshelwa amanga every year. Sizokwenza amathuba womsebenzi ayi-8 billion na next year ku-speech sesona still satshelwa same thing. But mina ngithi yabona lo mhlaba lo is agriculture. Is agriculture. 2 children abakule sikolo lesi supposed to ukuthi ba-manager this structure nalaba abanye abafundi bafunda nabo. 2, they must be leaders
At the very young age.
at the very young age. Those are managers ku-future ku-department ye-agriculture. I think uSeason ungilalele la khona. Mlo lalela. Lento le i-introduce-ni i-agriculture and ingabi i-agriculture phela, ibe i-agriculture ehamba no-practical. Because akusizi ukufunda i-textbook edeke engaka uphase but lento le ungazange uyenze ngezandla, lento le angeke ize iphumelele. And ukuvala igebe le-unemployment ku-youth. Government, wake up. I-Candastria inama-factory ashiwe ama-China years back. Ayarusa. I think we count 15, 16 big factories in Nkangala. Who's taking care of those factories? Ukuthi kuvuleka amathuba, ikube nekhampani ezokwenza iy'cathulo eNkangala njengoba ama-China nabo bebenza. Kube nekhampani ezokwenza ama-shirt, kube nekhampani ezokwenza iy'gqoko, kube nekhampani ezokwenza amagawuzi. furniture.
Mm.
But
It's look at Kandasri alone. Alone. How many people can we employ in Kandasri? How many? From Siabuswa until Nkangala, Brongopright Sitobeni, Delmas, Ngasugi Pass, Delmas, Lisabasebenze Bronkosquare, because they are so close. But yet we are foul crying, government, wake up. We are foul crying ukuthi i-youth ayinamsebenzi. And anibafundisanga labantwana ukuthi bazidevelophe. Nifundisa abantwana ukuthi kunento ekuthiwa i-CV. Ubani abenza izinwele la? People from outside. Bobani abasenzela ama-chips? People from outside. Now you ask yourself the same question. Le ngibuzayo ukuthi apha ama-South African. No, very much lazy. La ku-brain abafuna ukusebenzisa i-brain bafane nalabo sisi laba. That's why they hate labo sisi laba, and they hate them for nothing, because labo sisi la basibakhombisile ukuthi thina sihlakaniphile ukudlula nini. Not these guys abakha izindlu la elokishini basikhombisile ukuthi they are wiser than us. So if we change the mentality yokucabanga kwethu njengabantu base-South Africa, we can build our own companies and start working, build izindlu. Nkosi yami sivula ama-shop namhlanje akunasitolo somuntu omnyama. Estradini esi-1 kuna 5 yama-shop wamandiya. Sorry guys.
Hey, you go crazy, man.
Yeah, kuna 5 yama-shop. Apha ama-shop abantu abamnyama. Abantu nawukhula ngomuntu omnyama la elokishini osele nesitolo uthengisa utshwala. Killing the very same youth. Amandiya nawo abona ukuthi no, if abantu abamnyama bakwazi ukubulalana babodwa ngotshwala, why don't we open utshwala? But no, thina into esizobabulalisa ngayo i-1, we'll make our own beer.
but ngicela ukungena lapho baba Shabangu. In defense ka government ne. Sharp government has created this dependency kuye no government sharp. And then nathi we should also take accountability as young people, as citizens ala South Africa. Baba Shabangu, comparing Bantu education, okay, I'm bashing government on lowering standard ne grade and changing a lot of things. Not everything was bad like negative. Bantu education, you did biblical studies, you did agriculture with foundation phase, you did handwork, you did uyabona ukuthunga, all those things back then. So you had like life skills, uyabo, all those things were implemented. Then 94 kwathiwa i-OBE, i-National Curriculum Statement, NCS, CAPS and whatnot. So people fell to that
Yeah.
trap yokuthi
Yes.
you must learn how to write CVs instead of creating our own jobs. Skills they
Bas
yeah,
degrade abasaphansi na.
suppress
Exactly.
skills, yeah.
That talent I've got.
Exactly. Everyone, umuntu omdala, there's a skill that they can do ngesandla sakhe, which they learned esikolweni. Ubaba Shabangu can surprise you manje akutshela ukuthi hayi mina into ethile besiyifundiswa eklasini ekanje nakanje, uyabo. So when it comes to government side, they shouldn't have scrapped everything about that education, uyabo, that came with that syllabus, uyabo. With different departments, uyabo, we can see how lawlessness our country is. Borders and everything. During apartheid, they were not porous as they are now. Amapolice apha endleleni, you can drive from Cape Town to Musina Beitbridge without being stopped. Mawustopuwa uzofuna cold drink, uyabo. But back then you were being stopped, and then respect was there from the officer. Engagement, interaction was professional and whatnot. If your car is fine and is in a good condition, your paperwork is good, is proper, they would
Then
let you
uzodlula,
pass and wish you a safe journey, uyabo. Not everything had to be changed. There were weighing machines, weight trucks with loads and whatnot. They would go on that iskali,
Weight bridge.
weight bridge, yeah, is
Yes.
the word I'm looking for. They would
Yeah.
go there. If a truck is a 18-ton truck, it would go there. If it's 18 and below, it would be pass. They would scan everything, the luggage. Ukuthi if this truck they're saying is carrying manganese, is it proper? Is it really manganese inside there? Not girls or women being trafficked. Yabo. Those things they should have kept them and maintained them in Weybridge.
So, what are you defending the government on in contrast to what he's saying?
Okay, there are still education systems like that in place. We have technical colleges in some towns, in some cities, but not
But
zonke
now,
ziphelile baba.
Mata, now when ngibiya e-technical, ne, and then ibuyela back system where we say I'm na 8 years ngigraduatile. I didn't find job. Ngina 5 years ngiphume technical drawing.
Mm.
Ngenza drawing
Yeah.
technical. Ngenza electricity.
Mm.
College na 5 years. Now we want to close that gap. Ne yokuthi sibe nama graduate ahlele emakhaya. Because remember number every time iyaphekeka. Instead, what we are fighting for, ne, fanele si reduce that number.
Unemployment.
Unemployment. Now, ubonile manje sibuya kuma results ka matric. Ubonile ama diploma angakanani.
Those numbers are cooked.
Ubonile angithi ama diploma. Ubonile ama graduate. Yini le phezulu.
Bachelor
Ubonile
and
ama
whatnot.
bachelors angakanani.
They reduce the quality,
then-
they increase the quantity.
So ngamanye amagama i-system ye-education bamabona, you guys sit down and discuss it ukuthi labantwana nabaqeda what you call i-matric, irregardless ukuthi uphase nge-diploma ne passing with those flying colors.
Bachelor.
We need to
Higher
have
certificate.
yes, we need to have a structure whereby we take this child ne kulabo abangakhoni ukuya mhlambe e-university, especially mhlambe ku-diploma ne ukuthi labantwana la bazowela kumuphi umkhakha. So the number is growing, and if it's not 86,000 yama-matriculate ngo-2025, 2026 the number growing again ne, and the pass rate growing. So bonke labantwana laba benzani abayiphansi abehli kodwa benzani bayaphezulu. So i-rate unemployment igraph yenzani yakhuphuka. So sinama firm manje sithi mhlambe labantwana besuhamba special one, but what is happening ne, they are closing, and a lot of them will close if you follow what is happening in America now. We are still waiting for other companies to go back to America because of influence of Donald Trump. Sorry, Donald Trump. You are my friend, you know.
Yeah, but
No, sifuna ukulwa nalento le. Ne, ukuthi ekugcineni we need to balance the equation.
yeah. Back to point le esithetha ngayo baba, and it's a nice transition kwakhona to business esiya kuyona. Those systems and those institutions are there. What we just need to push to talk about them and to inspire people. Actually, first thing, to put people who are passionate about these things. Technical colleges are there. Nursing colleges are still there. Agricultural colleges are still there. But they are not fashionable. Uyabo, for various reasons. One of
'Cause-
those reasons ukuthi babeke umuntu bazomenza i-DG agriculture or college, nursing college ngelo xesha yi-politician. So uye phayana for political interest, not for umkhakha lo, yabo, for that industry or that a trade or that profession. Yabo. They are still there, but in teachers' colleges, they are still there.
Yeah, you have a point.
Yeah, in nursing centers, ezinye zavalwa, but ezinye zikhona. Some of them zimejwe kwezi universities.
Uyazi ukuthi why?
Uh,
Can I come in?
okay.
Uyazi ukuthi why?
Why?
Ngicomplain.
Yeah.
Ngicomplain ukuthi nurses colleges are still there. Now, you look at ama institution like our hospital, ne, which ane
Shortage, yeah.
ne, whereby akuphunywa ngendlela right ukuyolanda laba bantu aba graduate, laba bantu laba abayenzile le course. That's my biggest fear. Ukuthi you go to general hospital which is around Witbank, and bakutshela ukuthi kushoda istaff. That's why amapilisi bangawatholi ngesikhathi, abantu bagcina abantu badlula emhlabeni because of i-shortage ye-staff. Umuntu uthole i-accident uyafika lapho uyalaliswa, akunamuntu omthatha ngespeed
Trauma
abayogeza.
ward, yeah.
Yeah, but sinomuntu lo wena okhuluma ngaye, ne, ukuthi lo muntu lo uyile esikolweni wagraduate but uhlele ekhaya akanamsebenzi, uphethe i-certificate se-nursing. But omkhulu ukhale ngesikhathi. I think we are closing.
Did you say anything about time?
You are approaching. Yeah.
Oh.
It's 1:45.
It's
1 hour
1:45.
45 minutes.
I-
but
let's just make one tape all the way. We came from Bloemfontein by the way for this episode, and Yazi, Babshabango, I told my colleague Uguti, on this day we will be scheduling only this interview. The only person we're interviewing. When you go back to Joburg, we'll be interviewing other people. And I want to give context to the people that are actually watching. So since we are here, Paula, we are surrounded by mines, because sometimes we talk about these mines, and since we go into business, we'll be talking more about them. Just to give them an image, we are surrounded by mines, hence we're talking about agriculture and everything. They're mining coal here, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, we're gonna talk about that. I want the solution between the two of you, because I can hear the back and forth. And I don't know. I don't know. But it's like you guys are actually speaking one thing in different layers. Yeah.
But no, remember, he's a government, I'm a government. That's two different, two similarities.
Trump and Ramaphosa.
In the real sense of Trump and Ramaphosa.
Baba,
Phela ungakhohlwa ukuthi ngiku structure sa la ekhaya esiphezulu. Ungakhohlwa.
my point, I'm still driving my point.
Yeah.
Baba. Yeah.
So-
Sikhuluma into eyodwa
Sikhuluma
ukuthi
into eyodwa,
abantu,
sina naye.
and ubaba, I like one of the things I love about him, passionate about education. So my final word, sizoyivala and move to the next topic.
Yeah.
Yabo. Ukuthi in whatever we are learning,
Yeah.
we must also put in a business mind, or
yes.
instill a business. One of the things you said you regret business, project management on
Yeah.
those courses you did at post office.
Yeah.
Now I'm saying again, one of the things the government should do or instill in these institutions, because it's second, firstly appoint relevant people who are like passionate. Where now you told us about your story, Sako, you were passionate, you were dedicated, you were focused on your job, you were
To reach
diligent
the
to reach the
position.
position.
Yes.
So with public sector, appoint right people. Watch who you let in the door.
When
Number one.
you're Robben Island.
Yeah. Secondly, it's still a business mindset.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a product of those technical schools. And fortunate enough, Nami, I had to Diaga. Just like you had your own Diagen.
Diager, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now I had that Diagen.
Abantu bazofuna ukwazi ukuthi ezinto uthotha ngazo speech ukuthi uspeech okuthena angahlala lapha sixelele ngezinto.
Yes, I
Yes,
mean,
yes,
yes.
yes.
Angakhijack balloon, angakhijack.
So he instilled, uyabona ukuthi in this craft or kule trade or kule profession, you can make money out of it. So
Yes.
government is lacking that thing. How do you make money? You can, where now you started a post office because bekungekho sikhathi sokuthi you can double tap kwi-post office nakwi-private, so you had to do 18 years, of which you had more time ukuthi carry
Ungakhula,
on.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
but you had that business mind in you ukuthi no man, I think I've serviced this country and I've serviced the post office enough now, let me pull myself out and
yes,
happy
and
with business,
yami,
which
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So we must instill business ebantwini bakuthi, young people and old people, uyabona ukuthi sell something, whether it's a service or a product. See, instill that culture of selling. Uyabo. So in closing this empty factories all over baba, Eastern Cape, eTimbaza, East London.
Kunama-factory la.
Kunama-factory, they're shut down. Free State,
Botshabelo.
Botshabelo, there are factories. Even Chinese now, they've ran away because of load shedding. Uyabo. Konke naseGauteng, I'm sure there are factories that have been shut down. That's why older people are even starting to compare this government with apartheid, but even homelands. Ukuthi uMangope was better than le nto abayenzayo manje. Ugqozo was better than what they are doing now. Those
Abompephu.
Mphephu,
Yes,
you see
yes,
all
yes.
those
Yeah.
leaders of the homelands.
Mm.
Exactly. So our people, we should have our own agenda as this government. Ukuthi go to school after school. You can do this from 9 to 5. After 9 to 5, you can do this. We were happy when we entered here. We saw a private clinic. Said, okay, that means the business ikhona la.
Yeah.
There are private schools. There are a lot of private institutions that are not familiar with the black people. Uyasazi isikole sabantu abamnyama esiqalwa ngabantu abamnyama from scratch up. No. Okwamanje we are still starting with what? I-daycare centers. After daycare center, they apply for accreditation ka grade 1. I know a few who started from preschool, pre-primary, preschool, grade R, grade 1. They are in grade 2 or 3 now, of which it's a good start. So if our government can just push that narrative ukuthi our people should lean more into business. Firstly, academics. After that academics, ungalindi ukwenza i-CV and knock on other people's door. Build your own door.
Your own.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah.
How did you move ke ngoku from a government employee? Post office was huge back then. Into private business.
And no, I don't regret my 18 years with a South African Post Office. To me, it was yabona umuntu ohambe wayogayina experience of knowing very well when I resigned from the South African Post Office and what will be my project or aim or my starter pack. It was nice. I still remember when I went to my area manager and tell him that I'm going. I remember ukulahlekelwa umuntu ofana nami. The South African Post Office was just me, but I was supposed to go. Now you'll ask me a question: what make you to resign from the company? Reason is if you see something coming, remember the wisdom. People who have got the wisdom can see into it says. Mhlambe ngaba uhlalanga nami la in this interview today. Mhlambe ngaba ungazi if I didn't take that step and say, guys, enough is enough. Now it's time for me to go. Remember, I don't know where I'm going to, but I supposed to go. And then I said, God, you know ukuthi ngizophila kanjani. Ngifikile kule field sengiyekile emsebenzini whilst I was waiting for my funerals. It was tough. It was tough, Sive. I still remember I had ukuthi ngiphume la ngenyawo ngiyeme freeway ngihike ngiye ekhaya ngifike efrijini ngikhiphe i-chicken. Ngikhuluma ngobaba Mosi manje. Married in 1989. 30 something years in marriage. It's quite a long time. Ngicele impuphu kuma nakubaba. Ngibuye ngihike or banginikeze imali yokuthi ngibuye ngize la ePort. Ngayibona ukuthi yazini I supposed to be wise. It's when because lento ikhona le yaka yokuthi I can teach. Ne. Let me open a driving school. That's where ngivula khona iNgabeni driving school. Engithekwe seyishintshile manje iNgabeni drive center from last week. Ngicala this company and then lapha e-office kunale company bayibiza iThunduluka driving school. And then ngibheke i-management style sabo. Ngibheka ama-trucks abo. Ngi-approach i-founder. Ngithi, here I am. Can I sihambe sonke? And then wavuma ukuthi sihambe sonke.
Nyama nonke in an investment.
Yeah, in an investment.
You're matching the
platform.
two businesses.
Yes, not imagine two business, which is the Engabeni and the Ithunduluka.
Okay.
But as time goes on, ngibona ukuthi there's no need for Engabeni to go with Thunduluka because let me just pause Engabeni and concentrate on Ithunduluka. Remember, I can't develop two companies at the same time, but I need to develop. But angizange ngibe nomona ukuthi ngingadevelop iThunduluka ngiye kuNgabeni because it's got my name. But joining iThunduluka, doing the paperwork, registering Thunduluka, ngi-add-eke e-company yesithunduluka ilethe i-value eThunduluka. Remember when I arrive bebadila ngama private students around, and I come with an idea to attack the mines, my development skills wale imali ozibonayo lezi around. Now if ungibuza uthi how many mines did you work with up to so far? Almost 8 to 9.
Sure.
Ngibatrainela ama-student wabo. Both avela ku-community nabavela ngaphakathi. Both avela ku-community nangaphakathi. So the number from 2015, 16, 17 to 2026, estimated amount, it's 600. Yeah. Ngikhuluma ngama-student adlule phambi kwami. Nangabe bengizokubala nawe ukuthi
I'm part of 600.
you are part of 600 students engibathishile, and then that's where ngipropose ukuthi let's invite these minds to support i-community to uplifta i-skill se-driving
Transfer skill.
Yeah. And the first mine I won, it was Glencore. Ma-student okuqala abuye eGlencore.
Which is a huge contract, I assume.
Yeah, no, it was a huge one.
Lucrative
Remember,
one.
remember now you are growing a business.
Yes.
And manje umsebenzi uyani.
Yes, the responsibility. Yes,
yeah.
of course.
I still remember when I arrived at the company, they were having 2 old trucks. That one a handbrake.
Yes.
Yeah, I said, oh, I hate these trucks.
You must move with times.
Because I'm a driving schools, testing station. Bamba nama truck anema-handbrake la so I felt jealous.
Mm.
I felt
Mm.
jealous. No, it's ngikhuluma no-partner wami and then we had to sell them. But before sell them, I was supposed to buy one a truck, eline handbrake la for myself. That was my first truck, DTT. That was my first truck. Ngalithenga, ngalibhadala kubaba, and then my partner
Okay.
wasala nayo neli
Okay.
one.
Okay.
And then sasebenza silokhu sitraina ngawo, but ijealousy lokhu ikhona.
Mm.
Then 20 during no just before COVID.
COVID. Yeah.
Before COVID, I bought my first truck. It died. Le mhlobo le emisha ke le. Comfortable
Yeah,
and
Toyota
everything,
Dyna,
with a radio inside.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
this guy is growing now.
Yeah.
During second year where siku COVID,
You buy this truck still under this partnership.
yes,
Okay.
yes. Remember la mhlawumbe omunye uzobuza ukuthi where does the money come from? Did you go and take a loan with any bank? No, I was supposed to budget for cash 325 per truck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So from the savings of the business, you saved to buy it cash.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
That was my strategy.
Mm.
Remember what I've understand ukuthi First National Bank won't refuse if I take loan, because when the mine pays, I will pay them.
Yes. Yes.
yeah,
You have
they
a
would-
healthy.
but
mm.
but in other words, I'll be killing myself. I won't grow because of the First National Bank deductions.
Mm.
So that's why I'm here to encourage all businessmen not to take loan, but to budget for anything to grow their business.
What about funding? Jengoba, let's say, like you as a businessman who have grown to this point, and you like